So, let's go down here. Okay. So let's go to the very top. Sorry. Yeah, okay. So my first edit is this needs to, this whole area right here needs to be edited. It's supposed to actually go, your name, English, your teacher, and then the date that it's going to be turned in on. The literature review needs to really be like right over underneath here, so backspace. And then I'll comment on this so that you know. Need to fix spacing. Alright. Every paragraph you have needs to be indented and needs to start out. You did the bolded version, so with literature review up here, I wouldn't underline it, I just keep it literature review. And then you did bolding, so that works. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences, that's good. This whole paragraph wasn't flush left, so it's on your side, flush left. So you need to just change it so that it's flush left, and then you need to indent, and it seems like you have enough, so let me just check real quick. 1. I might actually cut down the length of your sentences so you can have like shorter sentences so you can get more out, because it looks like you're very long sentences and it might be a couple run-ons. So I will check that with Grammarly in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like you have 4, but they're very long. So I would just cut it down and make it shorter, and that'll be easier on you. So the directions for how you, sorry, I'm a girl, it just happens. So the directions for how you title the subtitles is themes, debates, and gaps, and that's how you want to keep it. You can't change it, because otherwise I'm gonna have to dock you points because of that, because it just isn't right. And then you need to go back and indent again, if you could for me, please. This one, I can assure you have more than 5 sentences. I would, because you have both of those things in one paragraph, you're gonna have to essentially split it and like half the paragraph, so half like the debate and then your gaps, and just separate it. If you don't have that many debates, I did like a really short paragraph for my debates because I didn't have much. I just did 5 simple sentences, but it'll be better if you do that. Sorry, I know, I feel like I'm being harsh, I'm so sorry. This, again, with the indentation, I think you was used to using APA instead of MLA, which APA uses different sort of indents and different things. You have to indent, you have to do all this. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences, and then you have like this closing sentence that isn't finished yet. So because this is rough draft, I get it. I just put like a simple thank you for reading my article. I'm sorry that this is a really bad rough draft. Give me all the advice you could sort of situation. So I get it. I honestly do. Let's see. All right, and then for this, so you had a space, like a weird spacing in between this, and really this should go back one. Maybe no. Okay, it just looks weird. It doesn't look like it's even here. So let's do this. I think this is also a different what is it? Font. Because I did that because I copied it. So just make sure you have the same font. All right. Let's just go back. I'm just gonna let you do that because it was hard for me. So if you have questions about that, email April. She's actually really good at doing it. I have this at the bottom. Let's move this to the top. Sorry. There we go. Okay. I just moved the little screen. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna just put this really quickly into Grammarly. The whole article. We're gonna go to Grammarly. Ooh, I haven't even opened it yet. Let's see what happens. Hopefully you get good. Oh no, I don't want that. There we go. Sorry. I do this weird thing where I do accents whenever I'm working on my computer. It's really weird. I'm sorry. Control V. Ooh, okay. So you have a 78 overall. So you literary. The purpose of this literary review. Yeah. So I would fix the literature right here. In doesn't really matter. Tyrants, I think that's probably part of your quote used through the use of diction. Yeah, that works. I was just add an article. So I think you want it wants you to add a, let's see. The use through the use of diction. Okay, that makes sense. New. I don't even know what that is. New criticism. Okay, so I think that might also be part of a quote or something. So be careful with that. It also might also be the name. So I don't know. I'm sorry. This doesn't help. This actually. I don't know what this is. So I think whenever I copied and pasted, it just did weird. So, because I did the edit, so I didn't. Okay. Because those are my comments. Sorry. So you have a good amount of things you need to fix. So I just say, put it through Grammarly. So let me open up the rubric so I can grade you on this real quickly. I'll send this to you as well. Is your writing style organized and effort? Yes. So I'll give you a. Let's highlight. Does your okay, and then type regularly. Thoroughly. I don't even think I spelled that. Easy to guide the reader. I would say, because I put it through Grammarly, I would say I'm going to give you a 5 because you do have more. I'm sorry. I know I will too, so I'm not trying to be a harsh person. I'm just trying to give you the best grade I can possibly give you and give you the honest opinion. Lots. Good. What is going on? Of errors. Ooh. Okay, so since you do have a good amount of MLA 8th edition errors, I have to give you a 0 because it was more than 4. It's an easy fix. Just look on the website, like Miss April said, and you should be able to do fine. It's just there is a lot. I'm sorry. I don't want to. I'm trying again. I'm saying sorry, but I don't want to be rude. But at the same time, I also want to give you like an honest grade. Like typing, so you see my fingers. Okay, critical thinking. Did you address the prompts of the instructions? Okay, so let's go back to the instructions. I don't even have that. No, I have your essay right here. Okay. So this instruction says, nope. So for this, like the instructions of how to do it, it's in module 2. It says literature review. And it tells you exactly how to do it. So you have yes, well, sort of. This is the part where I would say you haven't done it because you didn't do it exactly right, but I'll give you some credit for it. You do have 2 in-text citations. So, I give you 10. Correctly. Okay, critical thinking. Did you introduce opposing viewpoints in your writing? This is a requirement. I believe you did, and I think I didn't know. Let's go. You should have it highlighted, I think. I'm gonna say yeah. I'm gonna give you the credit for that because I don't really see it otherwise. So I'm gonna give you the credit for that. Yes. No, don't highlight that. Okay, good. You are. Okay, did you make sure to use... Okay, so I'm going to say 7 points because one of yours did not work for me. And, like, it pulled up, but you can only access it through the website. Sorry. Gypsy, what are you doing? Sorry, my cat. So I'm going to give you the 7 points, but the other one did. Don't you give me that look, cat. Oh, I'm sorry. Enter. Not work. All right. Did you use... Let's go back. Do I see this? Yes, you did it correctly. So far, I'm just looking at that one. So I'm gonna say yes. Yes. Enter. Used in text citations. Did you introduce? Yes, I did see that. So I'm gonna give you a 10.